So I did a video just before this, and it was probably like 30 minutes long, and I deleted it. And I'll tell you why, is because when I went to go look at it on YouTube, you couldn't see anything. It was terrible. I have since, so all the work that I did, and I wanted to actually show you how I did it, is not recorded. You couldn't tell I did anything anyway. It was all blurry. This was like a whitewash. So I have turned the lights down. I've gone into, all I use is my iPhone. So I went into this cinematic view now. So I'm going to see if this is any better. But I'll give you a quick recap. So what I did is I've taken up some brushes, some hard bristles, some soft bristle brushes, and these tweezers here, and I went through, cleaned it all up on the edges, and I took these tweezers and made the bricks, and you could probably see them. It looks like you can, at least from what I could tell. You could see that I laid the bricks out, and everything looks like it's ready to go. So what I'm gonna do in my next video is I am going to paint. So I'm just gonna make sure that I clean this up really well, get it ready for paint. And next time I come on, I'll have all my paint. I'm using just so you know. So that's where I'm at with that. To get this wall color, the brick color that they have on there, I'm gonna have to do some experimenting. So I use acrylics. I'm gonna end up watering them down. So I've picked up some browns out of my collection here. I got tan, got some coffee, and then I got some cinnamon brown. Now, the one I like the most is probably this coffee. And what I've done is I've put some test spackle spots on this artist board. So I'm gonna water it down a little bit, a drop or two in here, and I'm gonna apply it and see how it dries, because I need it to dry at least close to the color of the existing wall here. I mean, I can't have a big bright brown spot. So my guess is this is gonna have to get really thin. So, and as far as the gray goes, I'm still looking. I thought I had some gray, but it doesn't look like I do. But what I do have is black and white. So I may make me a really weak gray, because you could probably tell from the videos that this is a very light gray. And I don't have a lot of spots where I gotta use the really light gray. I mean, I got this crack here that comes up into here. This window, the window here will be gray. So I know it's gonna look, I don't know how it's gonna look, to be honest. But I'm gonna do my best to try to match it up as well as possible. So that'll be the next video. So until then, I'll see you there.